Do you know the proper steps of doing a Roth conversion? Well, if not, today in our financial freedom video, we're going to give you 4 tips that's going to help you with this process, so stay locked in. Hi, my name is Carson Graves, certified financial planner and president and CEO of the Retirement Education Center.
And my name is Andrea Graves, Director of Operations at the Retirement Education Center. For additional concepts on how to maximize your retirement, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be providing you with the steps you need to know if you're planning on doing a Roth conversion for your retirement income planning.
Yeah, knowing the ins and outs of Roth conversions can make a huge difference in your retirement income strategies for the future. And this is a very powerful planning tool for you to understand. That's why today we are going to provide you with 4 tips on making Roth conversions easy. But before we do that, there are 2 rules to retirement income that we like to give you. And Andrea, what are those 2 rules?
Well, rule number 1 is to never run out of money. And rule number 2 is to never forget rule number 1.
Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into our lesson today to talk about the steps that you need to know in order to properly do Roth conversions. The first tip that you're going to need to know in order to do a proper Roth conversion is timing. When you're timing your Roth conversion properly, it's going to have a significant impact on the tax benefits from the Roth conversion. So you're going to want to consider doing a Roth conversion in years when your income is lower. So that could be a time when you're in between jobs, or it can be a time before you start your Social Security benefits or early in your retirement years, because you're now going to be making less income. By timing your Roth conversion properly, it will minimize the tax impact of the conversion and maximize the retirement savings. The next tip that I want to give you to properly do a Roth conversion is to consider doing partial conversions for flexibility. Now, what this means is that instead of you converting the entire traditional IRA or 401k that you may have at once, consider doing partial conversions over several years. That will be the most efficient way to do a Roth conversion, especially if you have a large retirement account. And of course, by doing this, it's going to allow you to manage your tax liability more effectively. And it's also going to give you greater flexibility to adjust your income to stay within the lower tax brackets that you may already be in. Tip number 3 in doing a proper Roth conversion is to make sure that you have cash on hand when you do the Roth conversion to pay the taxes with outside funds. As you know, when you initiate a Roth conversion, you're going to owe income taxes on the amount converted. Now, to avoid reducing your retirement savings, you're going to want to consider paying these funds with outside retirement accounts. Now, by doing this, it's going to keep your tax advantage savings in place, and also it's going to ensure that all of your Roth IRA dollars will be able to continue to grow tax-free over time. Another benefit of using cash outside of the conversion is that if you're under the age of 59 and a half, you can be hit with an early withdrawal penalty on that conversion. So in this case, you really want to make sure that you have funds outside of this conversion to pay the taxes on that account. Now, the last tip that I want to leave you as it pertains to a Roth conversion is to consider doing a backdoor Roth conversion. Now, a backdoor Roth is going to be for someone who makes too much money to directly contribute to a Roth IRA due to the income limits. Now, if you do fall into this category, a backdoor Roth conversion can be a very, very valuable strategy. Now, how you would do this is that you would contribute non-deductible funds to a traditional IRA, because there are no income limits for contributing to a traditional IRA, and then you will subsequently convert those funds in the traditional IRA into a Roth IRA. Now, if you are planning to do this, as always, we're going to tell you that you're going to want to consult with a certified financial advisor or a tax planner in your area. So the overall moral of this video is that no matter if you're trying to optimize your tax strategy in retirement or you're trying to maximize your retirement income, understanding the tips in this video is going to help your Roth conversion strategy be more effective.
After this video, please check out our other videos that will give you tips on how to maximize your retirement. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have questions,
we have answers.
Please note that these videos are created for educational purposes only, and that you should always seek out your own financial advisor, your own tax advisor, and your own attorney regarding your personal situation. Also, if you are looking for an independent fiduciary advisor to help you with these types of complex financial matters, we highly recommend that you utilize the links in our description below and go ahead and schedule a 1-hour free consultation with us today.